I'm almost to the tower. I'm coming back.
I can't even see you guys anymore.
I see JRay.
I'm heading back towards the.
Somebody follow the train.
Yeah,
Sure.
there is a train coming through.
Where's that?
Shit.
Yep. Everybody's held up at the tracks right now.
Where's the train?
Coming from
it's
our
coming
coming from our side.
Yeah, it's coming from the Pistol Range area.
Where the fuck is everything? I don't. Oh, is this the train here?
Yeah.
I see it.
Train's crossing the road right now, just about.
Oh, I see it.
I see it and I'm
No,
recording.
I don't see it.
I got DVR, but.
There you go, JRay.
JRay.
Oh, I see it!
There you
Oh
go.
my god, that's so cool!
I'm over it too.
Hey, we're gonna.
I see you. Hey, there you are.
Fucking Call of Duty, get the recon!
I got you, JRay.
Oh my god!
Wow, you guys are like right on top of each other.
You want it?
Yeah, dude, we're getting it!
And I'm behind you, JRay, too.
Copy.
That's badass watching this too.
Yeah.
Do the formation you guys are got going right now.
Oh my god. Oh, Aaron, I got
shit!
you! Keep going!
What the fuck?
You might want to turn around.
Right? Yeah, I'm coming back. I'm going to do a,
Which way are you gonna go?
I'm doing a split S, but back.
Left, right?
Up and over.
Oh, you fucking crazy fuck.
That way I can follow the train tracks back.
Got it.
And I'm going down on this train.
Yeah, same.
Who are you going down?
Careful, careful, careful. There's wires there, Aaron.
They're off to the left.
Yeah.
You got about 200 yards between you two.
Woo!
Trains are off.
That was so fucking cool.
Hell yeah.
Aaron, where you at, bro?
Banking on this.
Straight ahead.
I'm right on the tree line off the train tracks in the park.
Yeah.
He just
Okay.
banked towards
50
the park.
yards, no, it's 100 yards,
Straight out or what?
straight. 100 yards, follow that tree line.